Hey everyone, imagine you're about to shift gears but suddenly, the transmission hesitates or doesn't respond at all. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and it flashes P0924, gear shift, lock, solenoid control circuit range, performance. This means there's an issue with the shift lock solenoid, which prevents your car from shifting out of park or engaging gears properly. If ignored, this can lead to serious drivability problems. In this video, I'll show you exactly where the sensor is located, common causes, and how to fix it. Let's get started. DTC P0924 refers to a malfunction in the gear shift lock solenoid control circuit. This solenoid is a safety feature that ensures your car doesn't shift out of park unless the brake pedal is pressed. If it fails, you might find your shifter stuck or unresponsive. If your car has this code, you might experience shifter stuck in park, difficulty shifting gears, unresponsive or delayed gear engagement. Check engine light or transmission warning light on, unusual clicking or buzzing noise from the shifter. To diagnose P0924, focus on these key components. Gear shift, lock solenoid, typically located inside the center console attached to the gear shift assembly. In some vehicles, it can also be found near the brake pedal. It prevents the shifter from moving out of park unless the brake pedal is pressed. Brake light switch, mounted near the brake pedal assembly, sends a signal to release the shift lock solenoid when the brake pedal is pressed. Transmission control module, usually found in the engine bay near the fuse box or inside the dashboard, manages communication between the shift lock solenoid and other transmission components. Wiring and connectors, runs between the shift lock solenoid, brake light switch, and TCM, transmits signals to engage or disengage the shift lock mechanism. Common causes include faulty gear shift, lock solenoid. A worn-out solenoid may fail to disengage, keeping the shifter stuck. Defective brake light switch. If the switch isn't sending the correct signal, the solenoid won't release. Wiring issues. Damaged or corroded wiring between the solenoid, brake switch, and TCM can disrupt communication. Blown fuse. A fuse protecting the solenoid circuit may have failed. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check the brake lights. If your brake lights don't turn on when pressing the pedal, the brake light switch may be faulty. Step 2. Inspect the fuses. Look in the fuse box and check for any blown fuses related to the shift lock system. Step 3. Test the gear shift lock solenoid. Use a multimeter to check voltage at the solenoid connector. If the solenoid isn't receiving power, trace the wiring back to the source. Step 4. Check the wiring and connectors. Look for frayed, corroded, or disconnected wires between the brake switch, solenoid, and TCM. Repair or replace any damaged sections. Step 5. Reset the code and test drive. After repairs, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and test the shifter function. Ignoring P0924 can leave you stranded with a stuck shifter. Checking the shift lock solenoid, brake switch, wiring, and fuses can help you quickly get back on the road. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.